The following ogive, or cumulative frequency distribution, shows the heights of people in the United States for a certain age group. So we have the height on the x-axis, and we have the percentile on the y-axis. And 5 says, what height represents the 60th percentile, and explain what this means. So the 60th percentile corresponds with a height of 70 inches. And what this means is approximately 60% of the people in this age group are shorter than 70 inches. Number 6 says, what percentile is a height of 73 inches, and explain what this means. So a height of 73 inches corresponds with a percentile of 90. And what this means is approximately 90% of the people in this age group are shorter than 73 inches.